Hello everyone, this is Damian Ramos, and in today's video I'll be going over the Rooms tab and how to add rooms to your quick model project. So after you've gone through the project info, gone through libraries, adjusted any services, added your floors, you can move on to the Rooms tab where you'll add rooms and ceilings to your quick model project. So before you want to add any rooms, you want to go through these panels here and adjust any of the settings so that you can add the correct rooms to your project. So this first one is for changing box shape. We have a number of rooms and ceiling types that you can add to your project. Most of what you're going to be using is rectangle room, so we'll keep that for now. You can change the space type. So again, most of it is going to be conditioned, but we also have unconditioned garage, unconditioned earth, and others condition. So I'll put that. And you can change the controls for adding and adjusting your rooms. So this one, it allows you to uh, adjust the size of the room and drag it. And then this one is just for dragging the room. So I'll keep that one for now. And you can also adjust the default dimensions if you like. So right now it's just 10 feet, 10 feet. I'll keep it at that, but if you want to change it, up to you. So once you have adjusted these settings and you're ready to add rooms, all you do is just hold the Alt key on your keyboard and then left click, and your room will pop up. You could just click on it anywhere, move the mouse, and that'll drag it. And then you can drag these handles here to resize the room. And what you want to do is just line it up with the floor plan and resize. So right here I have it lined up with the kitchen dining area, and that looks good. And I could just repeat this process for the rest of the rooms. And you'll notice that when I add a room, these panels right here will pop up for each room. So I'll go over these. This is for the room name or the box name. So right now I have this one on bed 1, so I could just rename that bed 1, and it changes right here. Here's some buttons for grouping and ungrouping boxes. This is for adjusting the floor height, and this is for dropping the ceiling if you want to do that. And then right here are just some values: scale, position of the room, floor area, surface area, volume. So I'll go ahead and add the rest of the rooms here to the bath and then the bedroom. There you go. Alright, so a couple more things before I show you how to add rooms to a second floor. This button right here will check alignment of the room, so it checks to see if there's any small gaps in between any rooms or boxes that should or should not be there. So if I click that, nothing happens. And then if I adjust this a little bit, like that, I do check alignment, this little gap right here gets highlighted. So that's just to make sure that you didn't leave any gaps in between rooms. However, if you did want that to be there, you could just ignore it. It's not gonna it's not gonna give you an error or anything like that. I'll just change that for now. This drop down is for showing the names, so you can put box names or room names like that. And then if you want to group boxes together, so let's say that you need multiple boxes for one room, so like I have this one and then this one for these two for kitchen. So what you want to do is you do control and then you click both of them, and then you just hit this group button right here, and you can see it gets grouped together, and you can just rename that as so. And then if you want to ungroup it, just press ungroup, and they're separated. Okay, so I went back into floor plan, added a second floor to our project, and now I can show you guys how adding rooms on a second floor looks like. So before you want to add your rooms, you want to go into this view panel on the right here, and you want to make sure that you have edit rooms set for the floor that you are working on. So right now it's set for floor 2, which is exactly what we're going to work on. And you can change that if you want to work on floor 1, change it back for floor 2, whatever you want. So now we can add our rooms. So I'm going to put this back into top view 2D mode, and then just add the rooms again like normal. It's just going to be the same as that first floor. Alright, there we go. And those are our rooms for that second floor. One thing I forgot to show is this green handle right here. It is for adjusting the height of the room or the box that you are working on. Okay, and before I end off the video, I just want to show off some of the ceiling types we have for Quick Model. So a common one that I've used before and that I'm sure a lot of you guys might use is the vaulted ceiling. So that's basically just for if you have a room that has a sloped ceiling, it's higher than maybe some of the other rooms, you'll want to use this. So I'll put this one right here, drag it down. Oh, and use the tab key to rotate the room. And I'll just line it up here. And then I'll just do the same for this side. And that's what it looks like from the side. And then we could do a couple more. Let's see, we could do this pyramid ceiling, looks pretty cool. Change that view. Oop. And line it up. There you go. That's what it looks like with it added. And then there's this triangle ceiling. This one would probably be for if you have a triangle room and it has a elevated ceiling, you'd want to use that. So just line it up with this. There you go. And that's what, just a couple of the ceilings that we have, that's what they look like on a quick model project. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video on the Rooms tab in Quick Model. I hope this helps you out with your next project, and thank you for watching.